Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create a new file in ESurvey CAD Interface and import CAD data. To create a new file, open ESurvey Civil Tools and go to File menu, click on New File. Select Parcel option and give project name and click on the Save button. Settings. In the main menu, select Settings. In the window that opens, you can set the layers and color settings. You can set the layer name, description, color, text height, text angle, and visibility for each layer of parcel drawing. Importing boundary and Pahani information. In the main menu, select Parcel. In the window that opens, click on the Import button. In the Import window that opens, click on the Boundaries tab. Select which boundary you want to import, such as Village boundary, Survey boundary, Pocket or ROW boundary, and Government land boundary, and click on Import. After importing data to the interface, the drawing will be created as shown. To import RTC information, save the RTC information in specified Excel template. Click on the Import button, and in the Import window that opens, click the RTC Extract tab and select the file. Click on Import to import RTC details from Excel. After importing all the data, click on the Process button in the Parcel window to compute results. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn about generating reports and exporting CAD drawing.